Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya and I'm your anchor, I'm your host, and if you have just seen my dozen of videos which I've made for my audience, I know my audience can capable and understand to reach. Look, my audience is not a different because in India every 4 out of 1 men really want to speak English and they are really struggling to speak English. And yes, without English speaking skill, I really don't think so. You can't even survive now outside the village. I mean, look, I am. It's very sad. I mean, it's very sad. People who get 12th degree, M.Com, B.Com, botany, and everything, but still they can't able to speak English. Still they can't speak to front of any of English. I mean, still English is a taboo language for them. So I really feel sad for them. And yes, I have heard a lot of story. People who live in a small town, small village, and they got a higher success in their life. That's why today's topic is my very clear to how to get a success, because in India over 70% is village and small town. Okay, and if you really want to succeed, look guys, one thing I'm telling you, there is a you if you really want to 1 out of 1,000 men live, if you really want to live this life, I mean, you know what is success? Success you can't is beyond your thing. Success is beyond your thing. Success can give you freedom. Success will give you extraordinary money. I mean, you will tired of thinking of money. You will have every kind of luxury. You will have a very good and very fortunate life. This is the really meaning of success. Success can give you health. Look, if you are a poor and a middle class, just go to a hospital. Just visit a hospital. And still, if you that can't hard work, then you will die there on first. And doctor will say, just leave them, just get him out. Who is he? Just get him out. This kind of behavior when you will see, I'm sure you're gonna hard work. Without money, your value is zero. Okay, and money only will attract you. Money only will come to you. Knowledge, you have power. Yes, make your body, make your brain like a iron. So power, second knowledge, and third one is talent. This will give you extraordinary life, and this is the life will save you. I mean, is in India, I mean, if you really can't see in a rural area, still people, I mean, go to school, college, and all are just and then marrying and then just doing some shit. Don't live like that. Don't live. You are a human being. Okay, you are a human being. Live like a human being. Don't live like that people. Okay, so that's why I am really recommend you that please make your hard work. Don't be laziness. I mean, this life. Look, I'm 30 years old now. Okay, and I really don't know when my 30 years gone. I just had a very great time. I just had a very great time. And once, if you just meet all my relatives and all things, you literally will surprise that I am like this and they are like this. Okay. Make your aura, make your hard work, and do your life hard work. Otherwise, all the mosquito will always want that you live in mosquito. Okay. I'm telling you a very great thing. गोबर का कीड़ा गोबर में ही रहता है. Just understand this thing. Just understand this basic thing. Because he likes that shit. He likes that shit. He likes that circumstances. He likes that talks. That's why he always live on to the life. Okay. And if you just go to in a tier 1 city, not to tier 2 city, leave the people. I mean, don't just think that there are people are come from sky, and no. In their family, in a one man will you gonna find that he started his own business, like a tea stall, small tea stall, popcorn seller, a biscuit seller. In a rich family, I mean, every rich family, you will find a one man. Every rich family, ultra rich. And I'm telling you a great thing also. These all the family you are seeing that they are rich people. Just go to their backstory. I mean, have you ever seen it? I mean, all the celebrity and superstar we see are seen that. We all are seen. They have not a parents. They have not a family. Where they are come from? Where they come from? Just understand the thing. Where they come from? They have not a family. They have not a mother, father. They have not a brother, sister, and they are. So I mean, they are where come from? And you really think their name is original? Amir Khan, Akshay Kumar, Saif Ali Khan. You really think these names, Salman Khan, these names are original name? You really think these names are original name? I'm not think these kind of big star. I mean, these, I'm not that these Sunny Deol, Govinda, I'm not consider them. Just these all are this Khan market and all these kind of thing. And this is the example that we know, that we really know him. I'm telling you 1,000 of example. You really don't know that what is the story behind them, where they come from, where their family have. Okay? Because they break this stereotype, they break this chain, they broke this rule, they break this scenario. That's why they are star, they are superstar. And they make their own family and their own name. Just go to their deep and dark psychology only when you realize that how people get success in their life, how people live an extraordinary life with their own terms. Otherwise, you will live in this earth 80 years, 19 years without any reason. You will only have a joy that just give some alcohol, just give some food, so eating, just give me some tobacco, some bidi, some khani, gutka. This is the joy. So choose what kind of joy you really want to have. So this is the only success will give you. Success only give you, and success means you just find yourself. You just find yourself who you are. Who you are. Forget everything. Forget everything. Leave them all. Forget everything. Just find who you are. If you just trap this world psychology, this world will give you a lifetime pain. So break this stereotype, break this scenario as much as you soon. Okay? And you will have everything in your life. It's not a very big science that we are not, these all are excuse that we are not capable to do things. We are not kind of that think we have so much dignity. If you really want to means dignity, just go to any hospital. Just give to a reality check in a Jaipur Sony hospital. Just visit to them. Leave there only 2 days. You will have a reality check that what kind of dignity you have in village. What kind of only money talks. Only money talks. Okay. This world is like this. Only money talks. Human. And if you and who makes the money? Human being. Okay. So yes, today look, my channel is all about how to solve a problem, and this kind of information, no college, no school, no coaching institute will give you, because no one really want that you just teach something extraordinary and doing some extraordinary. Only my channel is providing you this kind of information. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. And please tell me in the comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Every day I will give you an extraordinary suggestion. Yes, and just apply. Just apply them. You will see the result. Because main motto is what? Main motto is just you really want to speak English. Okay. If you are a good English speaker, you will get anywhere. Look, just grow 4 or 5 skill. Okay. Be a good English speaker. Be a bike rider. Be a content creator, and just a typing. Okay. You will survive anywhere. 25,000, 30,000, anywhere, any case. Okay. 4 skills just develop in yourself. Bike rider, if you have a if you really can't able to run the bike. English speaking, typing, and 4th one is you are a content creation. You just can make a video and just can a content creation. Okay. So yes. Okay, we will talk next video more thing.